in today's videos I'm going to focus on a particular section that I have recently started. It's called as health and wellness section. So in which my main motto is to give knowledge about products or services, or whether it's workouts, whether it's a diet plan, or whether it's a kind of medicine or tablet, particularly related to health and wellness section. So today is going to be a very special video, because today video is dedicated to all the women. It's a special knowledge which I'm going to give you. Is kind of tablet which is used for them to delay their period. It's called as Nostrestron. So without further ado, I'm going to get my wife on the channel and let her explain about her experience on this particular medicine, so that women out there get the proper knowledge about this particular product, because I have seen that there's not much knowledge about this product out there. So without any further delay, let's get started and let me know how much you benefit out of this video. And there are more videos which are on the road. Enjoy the video today and have a nice day.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is my first YouTube video and today I will share my experience and give you reviews about the tablet which I used to delay my periods few months back. The name of the tablet is Nostrestron and it is by the company Cipla. The reviews I will give you will be unbiased. I am sharing this video as a consumer point of view. This video is especially for women because they have so many questions that how they can delay their periods with the help of a medicine. Before I go into further details, the first question every woman had is that whether these tablets work or not. So the answer is that yes, these tablets work. They are better than the home remedies which are preferred by many women. Home remedies are very slow, but this medicine has shown very fast results to me and very effective. First of all, I will tell you the details about the intake of this medicine which I have taken personally. You have to take this tablet before 2 or 3 days the start date of your period, and you have to take this tablet 3 times a day, that is in the morning, then in the afternoon, then in the evening. And also make sure that the tablet which you are taking, that is of 5 milligrams, not more than that, because you will be taking 3 times a day, that will be equal to 15 milligrams, and you have to take it regularly, and you can take it till you want to delay your periods. And when you will stop taking these pills, after that time your periods will start within 4 to 5 days. And now coming to the diet plan, there is no as such diet plan that you need to follow before taking this pill or after taking this pill. You have to eat your normal food which you eat regularly and continue with that food only. So now coming to the main question, that is whether is there any side effects of this tablet or not. So let me tell you that I haven't faced any kind of side effect with this tablet. Only suggestion which I can give you is that don't make it a habit of taking this tablet every month or every second month or every third month. Like if you take this tablet 2 times or 3 times in a year, that is good. But if you take this tablet every 2 months or every 3 months, there can be potential side effects which you may face. Then when you will get your periods after 4 or 5 days of taking the pills, then in the next month you might not get the periods at the same date, so don't get panic. And also this pill don't act as a contraceptive pill. That's my unbiased review about this medicine. You can ask me any question in the comment section. That's all about the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, then please press like button and also subscribe our channel for more videos.